Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, today I'm doing this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So earlier this year I told you guys in my makeup resolutions video that we were going to be buying and using more black owned products in all of our videos, but especially our Makeup Monday videos. And we're going to be doing that not just through Black History Month, but throughout the year. For today's video, we're going to be using a new black owned beauty brand and a new palette. This is the Magic Mini palette by Juvia's Place. This is my first time using a Juvia's Place palette or any products from the brand, so I'm excited to test them out. I picked out this palette specifically at Ulta because it is so colorful, and let's face it, I'm not known for color. So today we're gonna play around with some of the colors in this palette. Let's get started. I just made a dent in Nubia. It's really pretty though. It's a really pretty gold. So the first thing that I noticed about this palette, besides the beautiful colors, is that it does not have a mirror. That makes me very sad. But I still like it. So I'm starting to start off by taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee, and I'm going to prime my eyelids. Taking a tapered blending brush, this one is by Crown, we're going to go into our Magic Mini palette and we're going to go in with the color Nana. And we're going to apply that right above the crease and below the brow bone as our transition color. Next, I'm going to take my Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and I'm going to go in with the color right on top, Decay. And taking that deep orange color, I'm going to apply that to my outer V and blend into my crease. Now I'm going to take the same brush, well this is another one of the same brush, a clean one, and I'm going to go in with the color Asia, which is this really deep like forest green. And I'm going to take that color and apply it closer to the center of my lid and then also blending upward into Decay. Switching momentarily to the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush so that I'm really able to pack on the color in the outer V and then blend it upward. Then I'm going to go back in with the Deluxe Crease brush and I'm going to blend into the crease. Then I'm just going to take that first Deluxe Crease brush and again tap into Decay and use it to blend out again. Next, I'm going to go back into the palette with my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. This, you know, this is my favorite brush. And I'm going to go into the color Yara. I'm going to go into the color Yara and I'm going to apply that to the majority of my lid, going from the center of the lid towards the inner tear duct. Now finally, back into the Magic Mini palette, I'm going to take a skinny flat brush and I'm going to go in with the color Baronu, which is basically like a champagne gold. And I'm going to apply that to my inner tear duct and blend into Yara. Now I'm going to go in with my NYX skinny marker and create my wing. Now for the lashes, I'm going to be using the Ardell Wispies, the Baby Demis. I like these because they look more natural. Let's see if I can actually apply these today. And I'm using my Duo Lash Glue. Now that we're done with our eyes, we're going to go in with our LA Girl Pro Concealer again, and we're going to highlight this face, okay? We're going to get rid of these Chanel's and Hermes Kelly bags and get our face together. Now I'm going to set my concealer using my Airspun Loose Face Powder. And then I'm going to take a large fluffy brush. Again, this is by Crown, and I'm going to wipe that off because I'm not baking. I'm going to now use my MAC Studio Fix powder in NW45 as my contour. I'm going to take a very dense Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to use that to contour around my concealer, my highlight. I'm going to go over my highlight in some places because it helps it to all blend together so it's not so stark. And now I'm taking my Real Techniques setting brush and I'm going to contour my nose with that same MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm just going to quickly line my waterline with this Clean Color waterproof eyeliner that's just from the beauty supply store. It's just one of those twist up eyeliners. Then taking my Real Techniques blush brush, I'm going to go in with my favorite blush by Pandora's Face in Pink Carnation, and I'm going to add some rose to this face. Then taking another Real Techniques setting brush, I am going to go in with my Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Golden Flower Crown. And I'm going to apply that on the highest point of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and on the highest point of my face. And I'll apply a little bit on my brow bone as well. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush again. I'm going to go back into the Magic Mini, and with just the edge of the brush, I'm going to dip into Buzo, which is that brighter green color that we haven't used yet. And I'm going to apply that below my lower waterline. My lower lash line, I should say. For my lips, I'm going to keep things pretty neutral. I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in number 809 Mahogany and my LA Colors Matte Liquid Lip in Sultry.
Productions.
And then last but certainly not least, we're going to set our face with Urban Decay All Nighter. And there you have it, our finished look for today. So, my final thoughts on the Juvia's Place Magic Mini Palette. I love how pigmented the eyeshadows are. I mean, you can even see the color under my lower lash line, which you can never see. I love the diversity in these colors. You have your golds, you have your champagne, you have your greens, you have your purples, your pinks, your orange, your dark blue. You have a good group of colors, especially if you are someone starting out in color. I like that there are 16 colors in this palette. It was $18 online and $25 at Sephora. So that is definitely a win. I will definitely be purchasing more Juvia's Place products, especially the palettes. I think I need a neutral palette, a blush palette, something else. I need more. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite Juvia's Place products are and what other Black-owned beauty brands you love and you support so that I can support them too. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode of Makeup Mondays. I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't forget to like my channel. Give me a thumbs up.